Citric acid is an organic, white crystalline powder used primarily in the food and beverage industry as both a preservative and flavorant, imparting a sharp, sour taste. It is also an environmentally benign cleaning and chelating agent, increasing the effectiveness of soaps and detergents. Citric acid is important in the food and beverage industry. It is used in beverages such as soda and fruit juices, jams and jellies, candies, gelatins, and fruit-based desserts. It is also added to canned and frozen vegetable and meat products. It serves as both a preservative and flavorant and is one of the most commercially important additives in the food industry. As a chelating agent, citric acid binds to metal ions, improving mineral solubility. It is used to maintain boilers and evaporators to prevent limescale and is effective in dissolving rust from steel or stainless steel. When used in soaps and detergents, including laundry detergents and personal care products, chelation by citric acid acts to improve performance when used in hard water by improving foam production and cleaning efficiency. In many kitchen and bathroom cleaners, it acts as the active ingredient, dissolving hard water stains, waxes, and oils. Our standard packaging includes 25 kg bags available for prompt shipment. If you're looking for citric acid, please give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.
Let us add value, strength, and security into your supply chain.